Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a BMW guys 5 Series and you need to remove or replace your oxygen sensors. I'm talking about oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1 or bank 2 sensor 1 guys. Stay with us. We'll explain how to do that, what needs to be done, where they're located and how to remove them and what special tools you need. Make sure to stay until the end. That way guys, we'll cover everything. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy new oxygen sensor, the special tool that we'll be using to remove them, or any other tools or parts for your BMW 5 Series, check out the link in the description of the video below. We always try to share where we get all our tools and parts from. So specifically we have N52 gasoline engine, 6-cylinder engine, but even if you have a different 6-cylinder gasoline engine or even 4-cylinder engine, we'll explain about that one as well. So now we have the front end completely removed due to the fact that we'll be doing quite a few repairs guys on that car, so we'll have very helpful information. In addition, check out this channel guys, Auto Repair guys. This is our main channel and we have helped more than 75 million people. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars guys. So we got a few things loose already, so we don't want to waste your time guys, but we removed the upper engine cover, and when you remove your upper engine cover you have one oxygen sensor, okay, right there. Now this is the bank 1 sensor 1 guys, bank 1 sensor 1. What about guys bank 2 sensor 1? Bank 1. Now we will explain first for a 6-cylinder engine and then we will explain about 4-cylinder engine. So bank 1 guys, okay, will be cylinder 1, 2 and 3. So the oxygen sensor right here will be for bank 1. Now bank 2 guys, okay, will be for cylinder number 4, 5 and 6, and I'm talking about that oxygen sensor right there. Now usually that oxygen sensor will not be so visible because you will have that metal plate covering it guys. Okay, and this metal plate we already removed it because we don't want to waste your time. It has only 2 bolts that keep it in place, one here and one over there. How that one you remove it? Okay, pretty simple. You need to remove these 2 bolts there with the reverse torque socket guys, special socket. Then we'll put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them from. So if you have a 4-cylinder engine, you have only one oxygen sensor and it will be called bank 1 sensor 1. For 6-cylinder you have bank 1 sensor 1, bank 2 sensor 1. So if you look at it guys, bank 1 sensor 1 is a black wire, so it comes all the way to here, that's the connector. And if you look at the bank 2 sensor 1, it's a gray wire, it's the one all the way towards the back, okay, over there. Okay, so probably, okay, you can kind of see it, okay, right there. Perfect. So now how we are going to remove them guys, we'll explain only on one of them. The other one is exactly the same way. We need to get the wire loose, okay, from the holders here. Go ahead, remove the wire, and we need to disconnect that connector now. So how we do that? Okay, pretty simple. Right here you press in and you pull them out. Okay, perfect. Now start pulling that wire out, okay, and come all the way towards the back. Now they go under the wiring harness over here. It's a little bit of a limited room guys. Okay, a little bit of a limited room, but eventually you will be able to come here. Check it out now. You need to feed that connector underneath now. You need to leave the wiring harness for the fuel injectors a little bit. Okay, and I was able to pull it out. And this is guys the wiring harness. It just goes on the back side of your engine. Now let us show you, okay, what we have here. Usually we have 2 places where, okay, I'm trying to get the camera in there. I won't be able to show you. Yep, right there. 2 places where that wire actually will attach to that metal plate, guys. You have 2 metal plates, 2 metal clips holding to that metal plate. One right here and one will be over there. So you need to get those loose. The moment you get them loose, you need to come out of there, okay, and you need to separate now the 2 wires, okay. Need to be separated because they have that metal clip that holds them together. So you will need to get in there with 2 hands and just get it loose. Careful not to break something, okay. And you can see this is the metal clip. one of the other wires goes in there, and then that metal clip attaches, okay, right there. So okay, let us show you guys, okay, how that happens. Okay, right here. Okay, let me see, or this one is the one over there. Yep, this one is the one over here. It attaches like that, so it doesn't go anywhere. And then you have another one, okay, this one attaches over here. So you get the idea, guys, okay, what needs to be done. Now, you need to get a special socket, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Without that socket, it will be really hard to remove the oxygen sensor. It's very, very inexpensive. What I like about it, it's made to where you can go through the wire. Check it out now. You go through the wire, you go on top of it, okay, and when you remove it, careful, okay, depending on the engine model configuration, you may have the coolant tank at a different location, but just go ahead and get it loose. Those will be really tight, guys. The moment you get it loose, okay, you can remove the socket, and that sensor should go by hand. Now usually they will be super tight, guys, I mean super tight. So I'm removing it now. You just have to turn the cable as well while you're going. Okay, and this is bank 1 sensor 1, guys, right there. I recommend you only use the original sensors, otherwise, okay, sometimes we had problems. We have a special video that explains how to test oxygen sensor and how to know if it's good, so check it out, it will be on our channel, guys. But later, okay, when you get the new one, installation is practically in reverse order. We took it apart, you need to go ahead. The new sensor often will come pre-treated with an anti-seize compound. You need to get it tight, install it, feed the wiring harness, and you will be, guys, ready to go. You need to come over here and connect it. Make sure that the wire, okay, is not hanging on the exhaust, because if you melt it, your sensor will quit working. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.